Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Let's start to understand SQL commands. Myself, Reena Kumari. Today I am going to explain you how to use database database SQL commands. The first of all, we have to create our own database by using create database command. This create database command is used with a database name. Here the database name is user defined name. I'm inserting create database 12 optional. Here 12 optional is a database name which is a user defined name. So my personalized and customized database name is 12 optional. After creating database, I have to change these database so that I can create here the table. To change the database, I can use the command use. This use command is used with database name, so we have to put the name 12 optional with use command. After inserting this command, we can switch in our database 12 optional. Now the time to create table in our database. To create a user defined table, we have to use the command create table with a table name. Here I am inserting the command create table test. Here test is my table name, and within the bracket I can initialize the column which we want to create in the table. Here I am going to enclose three different columns: name, role and class. Name contain varchar, role contain integer and class contain varchar. After inserting this command, I have to terminate it with the semicolon symbol. Now inserting this command, our table has been created. After creating the table, it's time to insert record in the table. For this, I can use insert command. Insert command used with into and value clause. The entire statement for inserting data is insert into table name. Here in a table name, I can initialize the column names like name, role and class. After initializing the column name, I have to use value clause and insert the values respectively like Asha 3 and 12a. Here Asha is the value of name column, 3 is the value of role column and 12a is the value of class column. Similarly, I can insert number of records in the table. Next, I can modify the record by using a DML command update. Update command used with set clause. Here the entire statement for update command is update table name set column name is equal to value. To change the value of entire column, we can use update set test set role is equal to 5. Here all the records of a table test contain the value 5 in the roll number. But all the records should not contain roll number 5. It means I have to put the roll number 5 in selected column. For this, I have to use where clause in the update statement. Where clause is used to select the particular condition to put the data and modify the record. I can use to set the roll number 5 whose name is Asa, so that I can write the command update test set roll number 5 where name is equal to Asa. So this is the statement to modify the record in the SQL. I can find and display the pattern matching from the SQL record. For this, I can use SQL clause like. like contain two different wildcard characters, percent and hyphen. Percent is used to select one or more and more than one character from the matching pattern, whereas hyphen is used to select one and particular only one character from the matching pattern. Here I am writing select name from test where name like B percent. It means it will show all the name which starts with B and after that it contain any character. Whereas in another statement I am writing select name from test where name like underscore B underscore. It means it will display only those record which contain a 3-character name where the second character should be B and first and third character should be anything. So this is the SQL clause to find the pattern from the SQL. Now it's time to arrange the record in ascending or descending order by using ordered by clause. Order by clause is used with SQL statement to arrange the record in ascending or descending manner. Here the syntax for the SQL order by clause is select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. For this I can use select name from test order by name desk. It means it will arrange the name column in descending order for test table. In another example, I am writing select name from test order by roll in ascending order. It means it will display the data records from the test table where the roll number should be in ascending order. Next, we can use the distinct clause to show the different record from the table. The distinct statement always used to return the different value. For statement is select distinct column 1, column 2 from table name. Here we can use the example select distinct name from test. It means it will display only those names which is different from each other. Thanks for now.